Hi everyone, this is my first video and I've never done this before, so please bear with me and no need to like, subscribe or hit the bell icon because this is probably the first and the last video that I'm making. One of the reasons why I'm making this video is because I was a person who never really faced acne issues before, but just in few months I realized that my skin had drastically changed in the sense that I got so many acnes and so many pimples on my face. And these were some of the products that helped me get rid of those pimples and acnes. And I'd slowly like to take you through all of these products so that you can also use them to your advantage and maybe, find it somewhere useful to get rid of your acne. So the first thing that we have here is this Mridul soap cleanser. Okay, before I get into the video, I think it is important for me to explain that Kama Ayurveda as a brand is definitely known to most of us, but we also know that um, when you wish to purchase something, the price list or the amount of money you have to pay for the price for the product that you're getting could go up on a higher notch. So it is requested that in order to sort of first find them to be your perfect fit before spending a lot of bucks on them, it is um, somewhere suggested from my side that you go for a sample rather than getting the full product. So I have some samples for you here today, although I have used them in past and my acne did get so much better in no time. However, I ordered these because I am traveling to some place, and for that I didn't want to really carry a lot of bottles or a lot of stuff, was basically packing up stuff lightly. So here they are. Okay. So I'm going to start with this one. This is called a Mridul soap face cleaner. Let me just quickly show you how it looks. I'm really sorry, I have to basically use my first hand. Okay, hang on. Right. This is how the Mridul cleanser looks like. It's a tiny bottle, and all that you have to do is add a little bit of drops of water or milk if you like, and then eventually put it on your face, and then it kind of really works on your face very well. Now, the second product that I have with me is this Ayurvedic cream. Now, this is a brightening face cream. It isn't exactly BB cream, but yeah, somewhat um, something really nice that can be used time to time and to your advantage. I think this one is one of my top favorites from this entire brand. Now, moving on to the third water, this is called the Mogra. No, sorry, this is called the Pure Vetiver water, and it's a face and body mist. However, it's distilled, and I've used this as a face mist most of the time because whenever you're traveling and you're sweating in summer, especially in Delhi where I stay, it gets really hot, so you can use it for that purpose. Then we have this Jwalani retexturing skin treatment. Now I think this one I haven't really used in past. I've used the neem tree oil. So this is how the Jwalani thing. It's a very tiny bottle again, and then of course you can mix it with different oils or different other stuff such as aloe vera gel or anything that you like, so you can use it with that. And then we have the anti pollution and hydrating moringa oil. This one I have used and I highly recommend it because this isn't a sponsored video. This is coming straight from me, being a victim of acne for the longest time. I know what kind of impact it leaves on girls. They start blaming themselves for the acne issues that they have faced. So this one is again the same size bottle, and you may use it on your face early morning or before sleeping, and this really works on well. Now the last item for today's lot is this organic neem cold press um, oil. Now, even this is of almost, I believe, the same size as the other bottles, and it's beautiful in the way that it is a highly concentrated oil, and you can use it like tea tree oil. You can mix it with sesame oil or some other oil, which could be probably almond oil or whatever, and then eventually use it to cure acne issues. Now, girls and boys, so these are the products that we discussed today in these videos, and I really hope that they help you in a way that you also get rid of your acne issues just like I did. And yeah, thank you so much for being here and just giving your time to this video. Thanks a lot.